Hey there, welcome to another episode and let's talk about cars. Because we love them. The myth which we are going to break today is that racing a car does not make it any faster. Most of the people does not believe it and keep on adding frills to their car which does not make any difference. First of all, let me explain you that I am saying racing, not racing. Racing and racing are two different things. Racing is when you compete in two cars, and racing is when you do stuff which I am going to show you in the next clips. Now this is what we call a raced car, because pipes are never enough. How they could be? By racing in the petrol head society, we actually mean putting parts on cars which make no difference, just adding weight and stuff. Believe me or not, Honda Civic is the most raced car of this century. And one day, the CEO of Honda thought, why don't we do it from factory? So all the Honda Civics now come raced from the factory. They have got a lot of trims and frills and stuff which do nothing to add to their power or speed, but they exist. On the other hand, if you just tune a car, just perfectly tune it, get a good paint job from some skillful person and shine it perfectly, keep the car in its genuine condition, then you can get a very good feedback from the petrol head society at least. Tune it to the maximum horsepower, like this GTR is more than 707 horsepower and it's more than 707 horsepower. It is utter beauty. There are simple rims, simple body kits. I think there are no body kits at all. These are all genuine bumpers and kits. But this is utter beauty. I got wet seeing this. What certainly turned me off was this. This is a spoiled Supra. Look at this. Looks like a car from a cartoon movie. This is how it should have existed. No extra things on the car, just two bumpers which look simple, a straight pipe and utter power. I don't know what Toyota was thinking while making this car, but they did a very great job. This car looks beautiful, it accelerates like nothing, and it is a very modern car. It looks modern even in this generation, even if it is a decade old. I don't know what was Toyota. I can't expect this from Toyota. Toyota does not produce any fast cars and amazing cars. They just produce boring cars like Prius. Think of the owner of this car. He was a good person. He did not raise it. He actually knew the value of this Supra. And after all this, we actually come to the raised cars. Now this is a raised car. A bolt fell off while the car was turning. Literally a bolt fell off while the car was turning. And there come a mighty Mr. Honda Civic straight pipe. Bro, this straight pipe is not going to add any power to your engine. It just reduces the resistance so that the engine could breathe better. It is not adding any power to it. Looking at these cars just makes me mad sometimes. I don't know why do people go to plastic shops and buy all the crap and then put it into a 3D printer which prints crap and then makes bumpers out of the 3D printer and then put them on their cars actually and spoil their cars. Like, why the hell would a person do this to his car if he bought it and not stole it? And last but not the least, the most raised car that I have ever seen. Look at the spookiness of this car. This car accelerates due to ghosts. Yeah, ghosts do push this car when this car needs to accelerate. Skulls and stuff like this. It's a Halloween car actually. After talking about all this stuff and giving all those examples, I just want to say that everyone who is watching this video, please keep in mind that if you fit a new bumper to your car or fit a new exhaust, yes, fitting a new exhaust can enhance your horsepower, but fitting a new bumper to your car is never going to increase any horsepower or any speed or do any better in acceleration. So spend your money on what is really worth it. Don't just go to the market and listen to every seller and buy everything from them. You just need to put those things on your car which does not add to their weight and which does not affect the already good performance of those cars. And according to me, every car is a good performing car according to its price, excluding some of the cars which are underperforming. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I know most of you don't make it to this far. You just leave way behind. Just look at the video for 1 minute. So all of you who are supporting my channel, I am very thankful to you. And for today, yes, and I want to give a lot of shout outs to the AG Movies and the Heartnet Media. From these are the people who gave me the videos, from those who I picked the videos and then edited them a bit and put it and then used them in my video. So all those typos and all my language problems, because I'm not a native English speaker. So thanks all for watching. That's all for today. Peace.